My name is Jay Cathro. I live south of Maricopa, Arizona. I pick metal building because I think it will last longer than a wood structure. Some of it is easier to construct, some of it is harder. It all depends, but it's a good looking structure. I built a two-story house on one end, walk out the back door, and I'm already in my extended garage. Everything you see in here, I drew. I drew this building and gave it to them, and they built what I wanted. With this company, I had other people I could go to, get around the back of him, and get the questions answered that I wanted. Got all my toys in here, and rain, whatever, wind, I'm inside the whole time. The cement took us a while because it's 6,400 square feet. It was kind of an adventure. We couldn't find anybody down here that wanted to work. And so me and my 16-year-old kid, I told him it's not that hard to do this, we'll do it ourselves. But we built this by ourselves from the cement, the dirt work, the cement, all the way up, the entire thing. We still had stuff to do in the house, you know, case the doors and actually hang the doors. But things like that, we had from start to finish, we were able to move into it in 7 months. It was past the salespeople and everything, and the project manager wasn't working. I got bumped to the top and I met Eric, Nicole, and Tyler, as well as a couple others I can't think of right now. And those are the people that helped walk me through everything it took for me to do this project. And whenever I had a problem, early morning, I get up real early, late in the evening, because I worked long hours on this, they were there for me. They answered all the questions, they sent me emails, they sent me drawings, whatever I needed to help get me through this. So a lot of respect.